Now to Madison. The man leading Wisconsin's election investigation held in contempt of court today after a heated court appearance.
Michael Gableman refused to answer questions about why he deleted records about his taxpayer-funded review. CBS 58 Capitol correspondent Emily Fannin has more on today's session.
I will not answer any more questions. I see you have a jail officer here. You want to put me in jail, Judge Remington? I'm not going to be railroaded.
On Friday, a tense court appearance by special counsel Michael Gableman, the GOP attorney leading an investigation into the 2020 election. It comes after Dane County Judge Frank Remington earlier this week suggested Gableman's staffers should get a lawyer for disobeying court orders to keep records related to the review, or he could face jail time.
So on Wednesday, when the judge starts telling my office that if I were you, I'd get a lawyer because you could go to jail, all of a sudden I somehow think that my personal rights are at stake too.
This is my courtroom.
Right.
You had a courtroom in Burnett County.
I did.
You had a courtroom in the East Wing of the state capitol. I do not need to tell you how I expect you to control yourself.
After the testy exchange, Gableman refused to answer questions.
And therefore, I will grant the motion and hold the Office of Special Counsel in contempt of court.
Outside the courtroom, Gableman admitted to deleting records, ones he called irrelevant to his review.
Of course we follow the law, but the law does not mean that I have to keep every scrap of paper with some writing on it. If I had to keep every scrap of paper, I would do nothing else. I would need a warehouse.
Gableman and his office has released hundreds of records to the liberal watchdog group American Oversight. Their attorneys have argued, though, there could be more records that should be released to the public because this election review is being paid for by taxpayers. In Madison, Emily Fannin, CBS 58 News.